Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's another unboxing day. But this time, it's my birthday unboxing. So I would like to say thank you so much to my family and friends for giving me this lovely gift. So guys, come and join me. Okay guys, so we are going to start now. Gosh, which one I would pick first? It's gonna be a raffle draw, char. Okay, I think I'll start on this side. So, this one is from Jason Sobi. Thank you so much. Alright. What could it be? Okay, let's just throw all the bubble wrap on the floor for now. Unbox now, clean up later. Alright. Oh, gosh. I'm actually hungry right now. And this is one of my favorite cookies. Lemon and white chocolate cookies. There. Let's remove the bubble wrap. Oops. Have to be careful. Ta-da! I'm hungry. Maybe I should eat while I'm doing unboxing. So thanks, Jason. Okay, now this time another one from Jason Sobi. Okay. Is it a toy? I remember one time when he sent something, I thought like, oh, why did he send me a car? A car toys. Well, that's not for me, but I guess this is my birthday, so it's probably for me. Whatever it is. Ooh. Ooh. Hazelnut infusion, and just add milk. Compatible with Nespresso coffee machine. Oh, interesting. Premium coffee, specialty coffee, chocolates. Oh, okay. That would be nice. Gosh. I just start unboxing and I feel like I wanna go home now and start having coffee and my cookies. And this is Coffee Pods, original Irish cream flavor, Baileys, Nespresso compatible. Oh my God, and the latte art here. Oh. So, thanks, Jason. Okay, another one from Jason. So this is seeds, and this is marijuana. Joke lang. And this is maple seeds, and this is Chinese seeds. What's this? Wait a minute. Let's see what kind of plant is this. Bonsai seeds, air purifying indoors, Japanese maple seed, and this is rooting flower. What's this? Rapid grow fertilizer. Okay, there's a fertilizer, easy to grow in the Philippines. 20 pieces blueberry. Okay, blueberry. We have mulberry here, but let's see if I'm lucky to make them real fruits in the future. Blueberry. Thanks, Jason. I'm curious if it's gonna work for me. I always kill plants. Char lang. So this one is from Jason as well. Actually, I'm keeping this, Jason, for quite a while. I think you sent this when you sent the gift for Sevi, and you sent something like this, and I did not open it. So I think this time I should open it. Ta-da! Uh-huh. I know the box. I'm guessing this is another cookies. Oh. Oops. It's raining here right now. Plus, I guess some thunder. Yay! Real chocolate cookies. Yum yum. Thanks, Jason. Ooh. Mmm. Okay. Next, another one from Jason Sylvie. Next. Oops. I have no idea how it looks like, this one. I think this is the first time you send me something like this. So it's another cookies, Biscoff cookies, Lotus. Oh, I can read it from here now. So you're a cookie monster and sending cookies too. I thought it should be like you're eating the cookies and not giving the cookies. Ta-da! Thanks, Jason. Okay, this time, let's go to this. For me. This is for me, guys, not for you, Char. So this is from Happy Birthday, my sister Hazel. I love you. Oh, this is from Ate Connie. Thanks, Ate Connie. Oh. And thank you also for, my gosh, not making me so stressed with my food on my birthday. Thank you, Kuya Randy, for cooking the food. Gosh, it's so masarap, so delicious. So thank you, Ate Con. Oh, I'm gonna be looking professional with this one. Nice. Look, oh, it's color black. I'm correct? I look black, huh? This is nice. And I think it fits for me. Can you say? Should I wear it now? Yeah, I also like the cloth. It's really good. So, okay. Thanks, Ate Connie. Okay, next. This is from my sister and family. Alright. Let's open it. It's soft, so it's also cloth. This is, wow, I think I'm gonna be looking so sexy today. Wow, I like it because it's also white. And, sexy looking. Wait a minute. I hope my tummy will not say, oh, make some diet, but I like it. It's really good. Looks good. Good for my OOTD. Thanks, Borina. Thanks, sis. Okay. So, this time, this is from Rio. Thank you so much, Nena. She gave this to me maybe a month ago. I'm not sure. But that's the last time that we met. So, she already knows that she cannot come on my birthday, so she makes sure she has something for me. Thanks, Nana. That's so sweet of you. Ta-da! So this is a nice pair of sandals. Gold. Can I bring this in the pawn shop? Nice. Woo. Very nice. Very nice. I like. Thanks, Rio. So let's put it back here, I guess.